This is continuation from where we left off last time. If you remember, when we were doing the installation, it asked us to install a theme, and I said no, I don't want to install that theme. So now I will just go to appearance and click themes, and I will install the theme that I want. If you already done the installation of WordPress, these are the themes that come with WordPress, so we'll delete them, but let me install the theme first. I will add new and search here Astra theme, and it will just get me Astra. I'll just click install. I'll wait for the installation to finish, and I will activate it. All I need is just Astra installation. We will actually build a sample website around Astra, and I've been building all my other websites. If you check all the courses that I have recorded, they are all based in Astra, in how to use Astra, and all the websites that I'm building is based on Astra. Even my own website based on Astra, hurbet.com. So I really love the theme, and it's very fast and very flexible. That's why I use it. I will delete the default themes by clicking theme, and I will just click here, delete, and delete that. I will not delete all of them, obviously. I will leave this one 2017, but I will delete this one theme and delete it. Once I delete it, I will just leave it as it is. If I want to see Astra options, I can go to Astra options and I will see it. So if I view the website, this is how it looks like now. So is the theme that we're using is a blank theme. There's nothing about it, but you can build whatever you want with it. So now we're not building a website, we are learning about WooCommerce, but I just want to show you the theme that we'll use, because by the end of the course we will be building a sample website with Astra theme. That's all about it. Thanks for watching.